Hello, welcome. My name is Emil. I'm a solo creator working on projects about mindfulness. In this video, of course, I'm going to talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is a cognitive skills with 5 elements. Think, learn, reason, remember, and problem solve. These cognitive skills improve our mental process and offering mental support to ourselves. Except we are always at the learning stage, we need experiences, knowledge, and skills to improve. Capable of understanding circumstances before any decision making. Bring memories back and combine ideas or experiences so we can use what we have learned. Clean our mind, identify our negative thoughts and impulsive action. Let's say if you want me to summarize, I would say mindfulness is all about choices and direction. Here's a simple practice I prepared for you. To show you what mindfulness is, you can find this image from a website, the link in the description. Set yourself a target, any target, even a small one, and be honest, what do you feel about this target? Feel positive or feel negative about your target? Even though, what direction do you want to move forward? Write it down on the banner. On the space under this banner, write down your thoughts about moving forward. How to get there? What you feel when you get there? How to encourage yourself to get there? Write down on the bottom banner what's blocking you or making you move backward. If any negative thought, negative experiences, or old patterns stop you from moving forward, you can also write them down on this area. When all your thoughts are written on the compass, including the positive and negative thoughts, being aware, thinking, and knowing what is happening around you, this is consciousness. But where are you right now? At this moment, you are not at the top, this is the future. You are not at the bottom, this is the past. You are now here, the center of the compass, a neutral moment between future and the past. Be aware of where you are at this moment. Feel safe to make choices, choose to go upward to the future you want, and yet accept and embrace the negative thoughts do exist, but you can leave them behind. Choose not to go into negativities. This is mindfulness. When you want to move forward, negativities might try to talk back and stop you from going further. This is the narrative of your shadow self. It talks about our old beliefs, our experiences, our trauma, or the difficulties we presume will happen. Write down the negative narrative in the crowd. Acknowledge your thoughts, but do not follow or suppress them. Put your focus back on the center point of the compass, which is the present moment, not the future, not the past. Thank you for watching. This sequence of videos will continue to update for a while. The next topic is our positivities. Best of luck and see you all next time.